Hey guys, sup, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Okay. Last night I supposedly posted a video that I did a glitter slime, then it didn't upload and stuff, and it was more than 15 minutes. This time I know what I'm doing, and I know not to use borax with clear glue and glitter. But I'm gonna try and do it with just my hands, so no mixing tools. Oh my gosh, it's like, here's proof that I did it. There's glitter on here from last night. No, but I'm not in the mood to get all dirty, cause last night at 3 o'clock, my mom was going to work and then she saw a frog in the house. Then she screamed, "Hey, come look at this frog!" Until everyone woke up and looked at the frog, and it was pretty cool. But then I was tired. I mean, I liked seeing the frog, but I was tired. And then I finally stayed up around 7, cause my brother screamed, "Ah, bug, Ariana, help me!" So I had to go help him with that bug, and it's still crawling in our house. So I might get interrupted during the video. I don't know. So yeah, an hour later, here I am making some. So the first thing. Oh God. I don't know. Okay. What you'll need is saline solution or contact lens solution, baking soda. I use Arm & Hammer pure baking soda. Those are going to be your contact lens solution. But I had to change it. I changed the recipe because all the recipes on the internet says using a 4 ounces of glue, which is a full Elmer's glue bottle. So yeah, I just had to guess. 2 bowls or something to mix with, one for the actual slime and the other for contact lens solution. But contact lens solution can also be made in a cup, an Elmer's bottle, whatever you need. Clear glue so I can get extra glittery. And finally, as much glitter that you can find. Okay, so let's get on to making slime. It is slime time. So firstly, I'm going to make the contact solution. So what you want to do is just put in, just get 2 fingers and pinch some, like this. Or no, wait, oh my gosh, it's not big enough. So just about this much, just put it in. And you're going to want to either double, triple, or in the middle of those. But baking soda does not taste good. Just going to try and get it all in one spot. And I'm going to guess maybe that amount. Yeah. I'm going to add in some more because I still see someone sitting on the bottom. So you really just want to do it till you see none sitting on the bottom. Okay, you want to mix it very well. Okay, I think it needs a little more, and then that's it. Okay, there's a sparkle in there already. Okay, then once you have your contact lens solution, just put it aside. Then you're going to add in some glue. This is the last of the glue I have, and I'm not going to use all of it. Okay. clothes look really dirty because I didn't wash it from last night. Slime residue. Okay, that should be enough. Mama said that it was okay. And then last night I added in way too many sparkles and it came out like black almost. And it was just like too filled with sparkles. So I recommend only doing like 2 or 3 little doses. Or if you're just pouring it in, just don't add too much. Oh no. I want to redo it now. Oh. Okay, whatever. I wanted to do only these 5 and not red. Yeah, I can. Okay, let me just quickly make the slime now. And then, oh, okay, this will be like a 4th of July one. Soon I will have a slime for every season. Wow. Now I just need my contact solution. Okay, I need something to wipe it off. Mommy said that it was okay. Mom said that it was quite alright. Count people out waiting for the night. Okay, now just put in a bit. Start with a bit. Mix it with your hands. Yay. This is fun. Take us my napkin. Okay, it needs more. It's too sticky. Wait a second. This is how it came out. It's really pretty. But I want kind of like a mermaid theme. Because it's summer, you know. So, mermaid, water, beach, summer. Kind of like that. I'm just gonna dump the remaining and then I will begin. No, I should probably like wash this out. If there's any, it's gonna like start being slime before the sparkles even get in there. Mama said it was okay. Song is stuck in my head. Been singing it for like 4 days now. This is the 5th. It's not good. It's not going. No, I think that should be enough. Okay, this should be enough, and then all of that is gone. I'm gonna do these 3 colors. Then after that, I'll decide if this one needs to be thrown in. Then maybe this one, but definitely not the red. Okay, I better hurry up. I have like 5 minutes left. Because then, now it's doing this thing where it has to be 15 minutes or less. Because if it's over 15 minutes, even by a second, it won't post. That's what happened last night. Because last night, it was like 17 minutes. Okay, I might put in like 1 of the cream. Okay, so this is very mermaidy. So now I'm gonna put in my contact solution. Please work. Right now it's not turning into slime and I really want this one to work. Okay, it's kind of. Okay, I need more. So yeah, it's slime. And I think it need a bit. Okay. No, so this is good. It came out like this, which is what I wanted. I'm thinking that I might start selling my slime. I just don't know how and where. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to talk to my parents about maybe selling it outside my house or something like that. And then just the random people who walk by, I'll offer it to them maybe. And they'll be standing there watching me. Okay, so I'm gonna let both of them sit for a bit. While I pause this video. So, while we're waiting for them to dry off and cool down and just sit, comment down below. So we're gonna do a vote, okay? If you want me to start doing maybe some, like I'm still gonna be doing slime and maybe some challenges whenever friends come over and my brother agrees to it. But like if you want me to also start doing life hacks, like I'll try and find my own or I'll just like research it. Like one life hack would be that if you put shaving cream or shaving foam, whichever one that you spray, I think. Yeah, whichever one you spray, and then you rub it on your mirror, then when you take a shower, then it won't get all foggy. And then all of the shaving cream would be gone by then, because then it'll take the shaving cream instead. Another one is that if you're in a rush and then your clothes got all wrinkly and then you need to take a shower too, easy, just hang it up and then take a shower, a cold shower, or no, just any shower, and then it'll just be fine. I mean, it'll like unwrinkle. Okay, I'll better explain it and show you later. Or do you want me to start doing like DIYs, like really cool and cute DIYs you can do for parties, and I will try and attempt them. Yeah, that's gonna be fun. Okay, so I think these are done. So this is the 4th of July one. Dun, 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 which is today. So happy 4th of July, everybody. Woo! Go America! Go America! And it's kind of crunchy. Actually, it is crunchy. Then there's my mermaid one. There's my mermaid one. Very, very pretty. Tin tin. And then is this one crunchy? No, it's like more squishy. And I made this one off camera. It's like a goldish one and it's really cute. So yeah, I just used gold and silver sparkles. And then you can't really see the silver that well, but you still can see it. It's just like you won't see it right away. No, a blue sparkle or purple sparkle got in here. It's out. I saved it. So I should probably clean up all the sparkles on here. But thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and bye-bye.